In today's video, we're going to be having a look at the Silver Britannia that I put in my pond for a whole year. Now, for those of you that are 365 Club members, you would have seen the full video that I did for members only on this channel, and that was showing you how I made a contraption to put the silver coin into and lower it into my pond. Now, basically, that sounds very fancy, but it was pretty much a flower pot that I modified with a kind of mesh over the top. Now, this was so that when I lowered the silver coin into my pond, I would be able to actually find it instead of just chucking it in the pond. Now, that has been in my pond for coming up to a whole year. It's actually 3 weeks left until it's been 1 full year. I think it was the 18th of July 2025 that silver coin went into my pond. Now, I thought it'd be cool to have a little update and see how it's getting on without actually taking it out of the pond until the full year is complete. So I found one of these online, and all this is a wired endoscope, it's called, but it's basically a camera on a wire. I think it's like 5 meters, which is way too long, but yeah, you attach it to your phone, really easy to use. You attach it to your phone, you download an app. It's got a little light on the end of it, and you literally just lower this into the pond. And yeah, that was the plan, to have a little look and see how the coin looks before we actually officially get it out of the pond in the next few weeks. So I'm going to upload some footage now, and I'm going to show you the footage that I got, and it's actually really strange and unusual and not what I expected to see. So watch all the way to the end of this video and I'll do some commentary over the clip. Now, this is me just making sure the camera's working okay and that the light is turned up to full, because there's actually like a little switch on here where you can adjust the power of the LED that's on the camera. So I turned that up to full brightness, and as you can see on my camera screen there, it's filming, and we're going to go straight in now. It is quite tricky, a lot harder than I thought, to try and direct this cable where I wanted it to go. Now, this plant pot that has the Silver Britannia in has a piece of string attached to it, and that piece of string is staked into the ground next to my pond, and that is so it can't just disappear into the pond, and I can actually pull it out when we're ready. Now, just tracking that piece of string, you can see there's lots of fish swimming around, coming over and having a look at what the light is. But just tracking that bit of string was quite difficult. I followed it all the way down from the surface of the pond, and there's the string there now. And it's quite hard to keep this camera steady because it's kind of on a wire. It moves around, and the pond has a waterfall as well, which is moving the water. The fish kept swimming around it. You can see my pond's pump there as well. And it was really, really tricky to actually try and locate the plant pot in the first place. You can see another fish there. But you can see I'm trying to find the string again, which leads to the plant pot. And the plant pot is quite deep in my pond. It's near the bottom, if not on the bottom of my pond. So you can see we're looking around now, trying to find that string again to continue to follow down. There's the string there. There's the string. You can see we're following the string down. I found the pond pump again. Pond fish coming over to have a look. Another fish there. So yeah, lots of fish trying to get in on the action. You can see we found the string again there. So we're going to continue following that down. Now, what I decided to do is to start pulling the string towards me. So because it was quite difficult to actually find the plant pot in the pond, I thought if I slowly pull up the plant pot, it's still submerged in the pond, so we're still doing the full year experiment. It's not coming out of the water. But you can see there is the plant pot. It's got some weed over the top of it. And you can see it's got this wire mesh that makes sure that the coin doesn't fall out. Now, we're going to go through the mesh and into the plant pot to have a look at the coin. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, because now I'm in the actual plant pot and it is pitch black. And don't forget, there's actually a light on this camera. So it's really strange that I can't see anything. Now, I try a couple of times. I pull back out and then I go back through one of the other holes in the mesh. And every time I go through to have a look at the coin, you'll see it goes into complete darkness. So it's really strange that although there's a light on this camera, I'm still unable to actually see the silver coin that's in this plant pot. And I kept doing this a few times. I kept taking the camera out, making sure that there was nothing on the lens of the camera and you could see everything fine. And then I would go back into the mesh to try and have a look at the coin that's inside. And like I said, every single time you're just met with this complete darkness. So yeah, we didn't even get to have a sneak peek of the coin, which is really, really strange. And I don't understand why that would be the case. So let me know in the comment section any ideas that you think might be the reason why we can't see the coin. And we are going to have to wait. We can't get a sneak peek, and we're going to have to wait for another 2 to 3 weeks now before we can actually see how this coin looks.